Today I'm going to show y'all how to operate a Cat 953 track loader. This loader is equipped with a 4-in-1 bucket. I'll show you a little bit about that later. These things are kind of rare. You don't really see them a whole lot, except for where we're at, kind of in the southeastern part of the US. I'm going to be grading this pond, messing with some of this dirt and cleaning some of this muck out, stuff like that with it, and just give y'all a little bit of a show y'all how it runs. Let's get up in here. All right, so we'll get it started. Okay, so over here you have your parking brake and your hydraulic lock. Right here is your loader arm, or loader operation, of course. It's like any other loader. Back is up, forwards is down, right's dump, left is curl. This joystick, I think, is going bad or something, but you have your 4-in-1 operation on your rocker, a little rocker switch here. And this machine is a V drive, so let me rev it up just a little bit. You pull back this way, goes forwards. You pull back towards yourself, go back to the front is neutral, you go back to the left is reverse. So that's how you do that. And down here we have 2 pedals, or how it steers. So you pull back that way. If I go in the reverse and hold the same pedal, it does the opposite. So yeah, it's pretty interesting how it works. You have your speed selector over here. I don't know if you can see, we got it up to 3.5. I usually run it in 2.5. This middle pedal is a brake pedal. So yeah, I'm just to kind of demonstrate, I'm gonna go over here and scoop up some of this mud and stuff on the edge and haul it out of the pond, and just run it for just a little while like that. Okay, so that's not too bad. Now I'm gonna see if I can grade this slope. See if we can get this thing graded. With a skid steer. It's too soft. There's mud underneath this dirt I just put down, and it's just, this loader's heavy. It's just smashing the dirt down into the mud. Alright, that's good enough right there. I can hit that with a skid steer and be done in 10 minutes. It would have taken me 30 or 45 minutes to move that amount of dirt and cut this little bit with a skid steer. So now we're gonna get down in the bottom. I'm gonna just set you guys up on a time lapse right here as I laid all this down and just slick it up and get it to where it will drain to over here. So set y'all on this pile and y'all can watch me just knock this down. Okay guys, so now I am over here trying to fix this slope. It's too steep. I don't know. Looks like somebody came and mucked this thing out and buried a bunch of riprap in here along this toe. And I've kind of tried to push it up in here, and now I'm taking, there's a pile of dirt from a bar pit I dug on top of the hill and trying to cover it up. You can see this line right here is the toe of our slope. So I'm kind of trying to take that dirt and fill in. There's a void right in here that needs to be raised up at that stake probably 2 feet. So I'm just trying to fill that in and make this a nice even slope, because right now it goes up really straight and then kind of flattens off at this line. I'm trying to fill that in so we bring the bottom out to make it a nice even slope. And it's not working that good with all this riprap in here, but you know, you'll have that. Let's see. Okay, so there's a fill of 135 on this stake, so we gotta come up to about 1.5 feet, probably right here, so got 1.5 feet of fill. So I don't know if you can tell now, just coming up from the bottom, trying to fill this void in, and it gets back pretty even over there. Okay guys, so it's Christmas Eve morning here. I ran out of time yesterday to finish, so I had to clean up a little bit of this riprap and track this slope in and knock that pile down, and we are done. We're off the rest of this week, and we're off until next Wednesday. So it's supposed to rain. I wanted to make sure everything was slicked up as good as possible. So yeah, that's it, and we'll see you back here in 2025. Hey guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Today I just wanted to read a few verses out of Mark chapter 8, verses 34 through 38. This is Jesus talking. It says, "And calling the crowd to him with his disciples, he said to them, If anyone would come after me, let him deny himself, take up his cross, and follow me. For whoever would save his life will lose it, but whoever loses his life for my sake and the gospel's will save it. For what does it profit a man to gain the whole world and forfeit his soul? For what can a man give in return for his soul? For whoever is ashamed of me and of my words in this adulterous and sinful generation, of him the Son of Man will also be ashamed, when he comes in the glory of his Father with the holy angels." If you need anything, message me on any of the socials, comment, do whatever. If you know me, call me, text me, and we can talk. Thank you guys. God bless. Jesus loves you, and I do too. Thanks, guys.